back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make an Independence Day special pop-up card. So this is a very easy way of making a pop-up card and it is useful too. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a rectangular sheet of paper. So the first step is that we have to fold it in half, like this. Step number 2 is that I'm taking a rectangular piece of green paper and a rectangular piece of orange paper, and I'm sticking the orange paper on top of the greeting card and I'm sticking the green paper on bottom of the greeting card. So I'm gonna stick it like this. So now I'm going to stick the green part. So we have to stick it slowly. So next step is that I'm taking a blue pen. You guys can take a pen or you can also take a marker, and I'm writing Happy Independence Day in the middle. Like this. So next step is that I'm opening this part, this card. Next step is that I'm taking rectangular pieces of strips of all the colors, green, white and orange, and I'm sticking this on the corners of the greeting card. Like this. So I'm gonna just stick these colors on the corners. I'm gonna stick white next to them and I'm gonna stick green next to them as well. So first I'm applying some glue on the orange part like this. So I'm applying it on both the strips. Now I'm sticking it. So we have to repeat this step on all the sides with all the paper. So I'm going to glue it. So next I'm going to stick the white part. Next we're going to stick the green part. So I'm sticking it on the opposite side now. Next, I'm going to repeat the same step and I'm going to stick it on the top and bottom part of the card. So we have to make more rectangular strips of paper like this and we have to stick it. So now I'm going to stick orange on the bottom part. Next white. After that, we're supposed to stick green. So we have to stick it slowly. So I'm going to stick it on the top part now. So I'm going to repeat the same step, but we're supposed to stick it on the top part, like this. So now we're supposed to stick the white part and green. sticking the green part. So after we are done with this, we have to make a paper peacock. So I've already posted a video in my channel of making a paper peacock. You guys can go through it. So now I'm just going to fold the peacock like this and I'm going to stick it. So we're supposed to stick it like this on one side of the paper. So first we have to fold it and have to open it. Now I'm going to stick it. So I'm applying some glue on one side of the peacock. And I'm sticking it on the bottom part like this. Now I'm applying some glue again on the top part and I'm closing the card. So you have to press it on the top and have to give it some time to dry. So after a few minutes we have to open the card and we'll get a paper peacock like this. So this is a very easy way of making a paper peacock card and it is very easy too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!